All right, we are at the brand new rental car at Tampa International Airport. We got Schindler escalators, and there's a Schindler guy working on one. Anyways, we're gonna ride these. I don't know if you want to. Oh wow, look at that. Let these guys go.
Get some good pictures of that.
Work for Schindler? That's cool. Nice. We're elevator fans, so. Yeah. Yeah. Did you ask our age?
No, I said, what are you? I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, we're elevator fans. Yeah, you can see those long escalators. Wanna go ride the elevators? This is nice. Looks like a Linea 100 key switch there, but EPCO button there. I think it's EPCO. And very nice modern cabs. And here are buttons.
People are using this to. Hold on. Open the door for
What floor?
3.
Go ahead.
Come on, Tom.
Best spot in the house. Yeah.
You have a good seat.
Yes.
Yeah. We'll do it.
Nudge mode.
4, 3.
Here? Yeah, we're out.
Elevator is going down.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks for driving.
You're welcome.
It's annoying when door close buttons don't work.
Oh yeah. Hospital-sized elevators.
Didn't think of it.
You guys want to check it out? Yeah. Sure.
Want to get out here? All right. Want to go out into the garage?
Sure.
Okay. We'll get these back up later. All right, now we're gonna go back up on these. I'm gonna let these people go.
We're gonna need to put train determinant on 4. A little bit in. Yeah.
Elevator is going up.
You made it.
Thank you.
It's probably gonna nudge.
Oh, thank you very much.
Right.
We're getting off on 4.
Right, I'll pull the door. We'll get off here.
Is this 4?
Yeah.
You're getting up.
This is 3.
I never
No, this is 4.
Oh, this is 4.
All right, I'll let everyone get out. Oh, do you want to go back down? Well, we're probably going to, so.
Is going down.
All right. These are really nice elevators. Very nice. I wish they had Linea 100 though. Here's your door equipment. Very thin doors. Wow. HT vandal resistant fixtures. Very smooth. Barely feel a move. And there it goes. That was a nice elevator. That will be it.